Investment Facilitation Council, and that was approved by the outgoing parliament. So it has the cover of the parliament, and the same political forces would return in the parliament with whatever ratio people decide in terms of their priority. But the same political forces that endorsed these economic initiatives are about to return to parliament in few days. So I have full faith that these economic initiatives will continue, and our relationship with our partners in Gulf and elsewhere, including People's Republic of China, those relations will deepen, and Pakistan, that has been stabilized economically in last 5 months, there is enough to build on those initiatives.
You can get back to
about
Ms.
the
Friedrich.
FBR and the currency.
I'm sorry?
There was a part of my question about the reconstruction of the FBR and changing of the currency.
Yeah, even yesterday, SIFC approved, and our cabinet also approved economic reforms related to tax policy and FBR. But those changes will take place after we make some amendments in FBR and Customs Act, and that's the domain of the Parliament. So we will carry and forward those recommendations and the work that we have conducted so far to the next Parliament, and we are hopeful that these will be approved, because they are in the greater interest of Pakistan and its economic future. And that will also stabilize rupee-dollar relationship. As you have seen, the day caretaker government took oath of office on August 17 last year, the official interbank rate was 296 rupees for a single dollar. But in open market, we couldn't find a dollar in 350 rupees or even 400. And there were speculations that we will just go to